Hey guys, sorry about that. Somebody came to my door. It was my neighbor. Anyway, this will be part 2 of my swap with Karen. And I showed you this beautiful goodie bag last. So let me just move these things out of the way here. And then this is amazing. This is soap, and it's black raspberry vanilla. Handmade artisan soap, but look at the raspberries on top. And the smell. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision video. I bet this is made in BC. Yes, it is. So this is from British Columbia, where Karen resides. A Mountain Farm soap. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's got glitter in it. So when I shower with it, I'll be covered in glitter and I'll smell amazing. Let's take it out and look. Look at that. Oh. Oh my gosh, the smell is incredible. Thank you, Karen. I love soaps like this. Absolutely love them. Oh, thank you so much. And then she has made this gorgeous little boho book, and she's done all this beautiful hand stitching on here. Little crocheted flowers and more little crocheted flowers there, but I think when I open this you're gonna see, first of all, how do I get that open? Okay, that's on there. Alright, there we go. So I want to open this. Look at the beading she's done here. This is all hand beaded on the front. It's absolutely incredible. I love these sari colors together, Karen. Oh, that's so pretty. And it says special, and it has a beautiful button with more beading on it. Oh my gosh, this lady is so talented. And it opens up like a mini little book. Oh my gosh, Karen. You have spoiled me. Look at this heart. And that's all hand beaded. It's a brooch. OMG, girl. This is a brooch. Let me unpin that. Look at this. That's all hand beaded all around there. Absolutely amazing. Oh, I love that. Oh, thank you so much. And then this is an altered paper clip. It's another one of her gorgeous butterflies on it down here. And some pearls and a beautiful little flower she's made. I mean, this girl has got crazy good skills. And then she sent a piece of lace. Oh, I love this. Thank you, Karen. Gorgeous. And then look at these stick pins. OMG. These are beautiful, Karen. Oh, I don't want to take them out. They're too pretty. Let me hold it this way. Look at these beautiful stick pins. This one's got a dangle with a flower on it. And then this beautiful purple one. Oh, look at this pink one. Now that one I might take out. She's got the little stoppers on the bottom. Look at this one with the dangle butterfly in pink. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Those are so beautiful, Karen. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And then there's, whoops, I'll leave that out. And then there's a little turquoise one and a little pink and gold one with the Aurora Borealis crystals. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. And look at the inside of the book too with this beautiful script fabric. Wow. And she's got another paper clip over here that she's altered with another one of her beautiful butterflies. And then look at, it's got this gorgeous blue dangle on the bottom. It's really pretty, Karen. Oh my gosh. That'll look so beautiful in a journal. You're amazing. And OMG with this fairy here. Let me undo this and show you guys. This is, you can make that into a necklace. Look at this. And I may just do that. Oh, Karen, she's beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love her. So yeah, you can, there's a thing here to make it into a necklace. Look at the rhinestones and this amazing bauble on the bottom. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, Karen, you're incredible. Thank you so much. Everything is absolutely stunning and gorgeous and beautiful. I love all of it. But most of all, of course, our friendship, it means the world to me, and you're such a special lady. I cannot thank you enough for your kindness and your generosity and all these beautiful things that you have gifted me. Everything is just stunning and gorgeous, and your beautiful handmade flowers as well, which you know I love. Everybody loves handmade flowers. Yours are just wow. And your tags, of course. So that was the swap, was the 2 tags and some goodies, but you've totally spoiled me. So I really cannot thank you enough. This soap, oh my goodness, it just smells so good. And your hand crocheted work, like everything is just absolutely incredible. Thank you so much, my friend. Yours will be on its way to you shortly. I am nearly finished. Karen was like on it. But I was finishing up a swap for another lady, so that's gone now, and now I'm finishing up Karen's. So stay tuned for that, and I will be mailing that probably in the next week, Karen, to you. So, but I will, of course, message you. But thank you so much, and thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check out Karen's channel in the description box below, and you can see all her amazing work over there on her YouTube channel. So thank you, my friend. Love you. Bye.